This is the emotional interview after Hugo Calderano won the World Cup 2025.
I don't know. I mean, it's crazy hard to talk about it. It's really surreal. Before the tournament started, I couldn't imagine. Of course, being the champion, I was already very happy when I secured the medal at the semis, being world number 3 too, and then number 1 in the final. It's a crazy thing for me. I think now I cemented my name in the history of table tennis, and I'm so happy. Well, I think especially after the Olympics, it's really great to win a title like that. I think I've always worked so hard, and I always keep believing in myself. I think if you talk to me a month ago, I was really down, and I also wanted to thank everyone for the support. I always see your messages. Sometimes I don't have time to answer to everyone, of course, but I'm very grateful for all the support I have in Brazil at home, all my family, my friends, and thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, it was a crazy match. I was down 3-1. I started really strong with the first set, 14-12, and then he started to play really great. I had no chance for 3 sets, and then I think I started to play a bit better, maybe made some tactical adjustments. I was focused throughout the match the whole way, and I think that was the key also in the end to win the decider. Of course, it's an honor to play a World Cup final. I mean, I think it's. I'll just try to enjoy the match. Of course, try my best. I hope I can win the title. That would be amazing. But I think above all, I'll try to enjoy and play as best as I can.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.